All right, good morning, guys. How you doing? Welcome again to our private weekly Forex forecast for all the Cash Club members. Good to see you again. I wish you guys an amazing week ahead. I hope you guys made money during the last week's trading, which is the week after NFP. It was an amazing time together with you guys. So, for those of you watching this video for the first time, I do this every weekend, basically for my students. We do not share the video until the validity of the video actually expires. We just want to keep track of our record live on this channel. So that's why you're probably going to be seeing this if you are not a member of the Cash Club 500 mentorship program. Now, the Cash Club 500 mentorship program is a private mentorship I have for my students. For students of our company, which is TradeWave. And if you want to be getting this training, these videos, this mentorship trainings and analysis before the week so that you get prepared for the week and make money with us every single week, you need to subscribe for the mentorship program. Have a 3-month plan, 1-year plan, and a lifetime plan. So consider subscribing. Go to our website at www.tradewave.ng, get subscribed, and let's make money together. Okay, so that said, let me go ahead and share my screen with you guys so that you um, prepare yourself for the market for the week ahead. Okay, so cheers to every Cash Club 500 member. Good to be with you guys again this week. Okay, so let's go. So this week I'm looking at just basically 3 currency pairs. This week is core CPI. First of all, you need to know that this week is core CPI, so you need to be quite careful in the market. So make sure you are not over trading and you're very careful. Look out for liquidity levels. There'll be a lot of liquidity hunt this week. Okay. All right, so let's start with GBP USD. So as you can see, let me show you guys something I shared during the live session last week. So during the live session last week, I told you guys that what we needed to see, as you can remember now, this was exactly, I think I need to do this like this. Okay, I think I need to move it a little bit more. Fantastic. Now look at how precise my analysis is. I told you guys that I needed to see a break and close below this level, below this liquidity level. And guess what? This is the red candle I showed you guys. I told you that I drew this red candle showing you guys that once we get this, that the market will likely go up for a liquidity. And look at exactly what happened. Market gave this red candle. Let me push this out so that you see the red candle. The market gave this red candle just as I predicted, dropped another red candle just as I predicted, then it started going up. Now look at the line. Let me put a line where I said I will be going in for a sell here. This is where I want to see the pressure. And look at what happened. The market came back and the market all the way to touch this exact zone that I talked about. And if you look at the 15 minutes time frame, I think on the 15 minutes time frame, you can clearly see that the market is mounting pressure at exactly the same level I talked about. As you can see, look at this long red engulfing candle followed by a long wick, and the market has been bouncing off this level. So best bet this week, we'll likely see this market pushing all the way down. So my analysis is that good, is that precise, is that awesome, trust me. Okay, so this week, what are we expecting? So on a daily time frame, we are clearly seeing that this market has broken and closed below a very major support that has been tested multiple times. Okay, so we have this red candle that broke and closed below this level on Monday. So that tells me possibly this is a breakout, maybe loading, right? Then on a 4-hour time frame, we are seeing that this market also, if you put a moving average, can see that we are now trading below the 50 moving average, which is very impressive. So both daily time frame and 4-hour time frame is all pointing us to a possible downward trend. So all I need to look out for right now is an opportunity to actually enter this trade. So seeing what is happening on the 15 minutes time frame, I can already see some pressure mounting from the upside here. Okay, but however, I know by experience that this market needs to do a proper liquidity grabbing at this level before this market actually moves forward. So moves downward. Sorry. So possibly we might see this market come up again to do something like this, grab under liquid. What I want to see here that would interest me for a sell is something like this, this, and then the four. So this is where I likely want to enter the market. This second high that would not be higher than this high when the liquidity grab happens. So this is exactly what I would love to see on this market. Then I'll be interested in entering, going in for a sell. Okay. This is what I want to see happen here. This is where I want to enter, the market. Okay. This is where I want to enter the market here. Sorry about that, guys. I have my voice is really like gone. Right. So this is where I want to enter the market. Okay. So it's something to look out for on GBP USD this week. If this happens, I'm going for a sell. Okay. Now another alternative, which I do not advise, is to just enter once the market opens. I wouldn't advise you to do that though. But however, that's more of an aggressive entry, which will mean that your stop loss will be very, very high. Maybe we're talking about maybe 60 pips stop loss. 60 pips stop loss because okay, ATR is 14 pips. Well, 60 pips might be too much though. But however, just to be fair on yourself, this is what it would look like. Then you can target a 1:5 on this trade. Okay, 1:1.5 on this trade. So this is something to look out for GBP USD. Okay. So let's check on Eurocard. Eurocard is a second currency pair. I'm looking for a trade this week. I told you guys, I think 3 weeks ago, 1 week ago, that we're probably headed to this level because right now we're in a no man's land. There is no reasonable support. Most recent support, the last support at this level was in July 2023, and I pay more attention to recent support. So this is the most recent support right here, which is October 2023. So this market will likely just keep grinding, giving just slowly lower lows, lower highs, just something like this, something like this. Just keep grinding all the way down. Okay, so that's actually something I'm expecting to happen on this. So I'm already seeing, if you look at the 1 hour time frame, I'm already seeing that there's a possible liquidity grab that has happened above here, right here, which is the key level on the 1 hour time frame, tested both as support and resistance. And we see this big, this candle, deep right into that liquidity, grabbing the liquidity, and we're possibly headed down. But my way of trading, I love confirmations, you guys know. So I'll be waiting for this market to do another one. You can put this is a typical, place to put a pending order, a sell limit for. You can put a sell limit somewhere here. And when the market dips into this liquidity here, you probably, you'll be on the trade. Okay, so this is what I'm actually expecting. This is where I want to enter a trade, using my stop loss at, let's say, 35 pips because ATR is 17 pips, right? So target a 1:2 on this trade. This will be very cool for you to make money off this week. Okay, so keep your eyes on Euro card. Now USD CHF is the final currency pair that I'm looking out for the week. I'm not looking out for much for this week. USD CHF is probably headed for this minor support resistance level on a daily time frame. Okay, we'll probably find some form of resistance here. So this market will slowly keep grinding to that level this week. That's what I'm expecting. Unless core CPI on Tuesday, does otherwise, right? So I'm expecting, let me remove this moving average and show you exactly what I'm looking at, right? So I'm looking at this level. Look at this key level here on the 15 minutes time frame, tested both as a support and also a resistance. Okay, so tested both as a resistance, and also as a support. So I want this market to actually come back and touch this level. I want to see a resistant, some form of pressure somewhere at this level. Once I spot, good pressure at this level, I want to buy. Okay, somewhere around here. So this is what I'm expecting on USD CHF this week. Sorry guys, my voice is gone. Like I have very terrible catarrh, so can't even, as at yesterday, I couldn't even talk very well. You couldn't even hear my voice if I was talking yesterday. So, but I just needed to do this thing, with you guys today, is just to prepare you for the week ahead. So I hope this helps you. We're heading to the 0.88059 level. So keep your eyes on this key level we're seeing on the 1 hour time frame. This is where we want to enter the trade. So I hope this is helpful to you. I hope this helps you to make some money for yourself this week. Okay, so I love you guys. Remember, if you want to join this analysis, for those of you watching live here on YouTube and you are not part of the private mentorship program, we have a subscription plan, for you. If you just want to be getting only the weekly analysis, we have a subscription plan for you. It's quite cheap, very, very affordable, very affordable. If you want to be getting these videos to prepare you for the week, we have both a 3 months, a 1 year plan, and also a lifetime God, my voice is bad. Guys, just go and subscribe. Go to tradewave.ng, subscribe. I need to go right now. Goodbye, guys. Goodbye.